Hello everyone and welcome to another Claude tutorial. Today we're going to learn how to connect Brevo with Claude. We're going to go straight to the point. Before we do that, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. It helps tremendously to create new content, so thank you very much in advance. And let's get started. So all you have to do is to log into Claude. Then you're going to select Customize from the left-hand side. You're going to select Connectors. Then you're going to click the plus symbol to add a new connector. You're going to say Browse Connectors. We're going to use the search bar to find Brevo. Then we're going to select Brevo here from the list. And all we have to do really is to click on Connect on the top right-hand side. And that's it. Once you log into Brevo, you're going to link Brevo with Claude. And from there, pay attention to everything under Tools. These are all the functions that Claude can perform together with Brevo. So this is how Claude can actually work together with Brevo. Of course, after you link Claude with Brevo, you can ask Claude how else it can help you to work with this tool. So that's it. That's how you can link Brevo with Claude. One more time, you are going to select Customize from the left-hand side. You're going to click Connectors. You're going to add a new connector, Browse Connector, select Brevo, login, and that's it. That's all for this video. Thank you very much for watching and have an amazing day in any time zone. Bye, everyone.